Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Streamlabs desktop installed and logged in, and assets ready. Open the Alerts widget immediately. This is where you create the core alert types. Click the Alerts box, then add new alert for donations, follows, and subs. Choose a template and upload your image and sound so the alert has personality. Once done, set the alert name and visibility. This first pass gets you a live-ready alert that you can test in seconds. Now you refine behavior and appearance. In Settings, tweak duration and animation so alerts feel natural versus jarring. Lower volume if music competes. Configure text formatting and dynamic variables so names and amounts display correctly. Use filters to ignore tiny donations or to show only specific tiers. This prevents spam. Place the browser source in your scene, use Transform to anchor it, and enable event lists to log past alerts. Make sure transitions and scenes won't clip or hide alerts. Finish by rigorously testing. Trigger test follow, donation, and subscriber alerts while streaming privately. Verify audio sync and that animations don't overlap. Adjust spacing and timeout if needed. Save your scene collection and lock sources to prevent accidental moves. Monitor CPU and browser source usage to avoid frame drops. If something breaks, first confirm Streamlabs is authenticated with your service, and the widget URL is correctly added as a browser source. Often a recopy of the widget URL or clearing cache fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.